Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Edge screen goes black when scrolling. First method is open Edge browser. Click three dots, click settings. Click system and performance, turn off use hardware acceleration when available. Click restart. Second method is open Edge browser, click three dots, click settings. Click privacy search and services. Click choose what to clear under clear browsing data now. Select all time, click clear now. Third method is click start, settings, click update and security, click Windows Update. Fourth method is click start, settings, click apps. Select Microsoft Edge, click modify. Click repair. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.